I've tried some, burnt Basque cheesecake before. And isa sa mga medyo na-turn off ako is kapag sobrang asim ng cheesecake. Nababaw kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog and for the second time, we would like to introduce to you ang mga products po ni Croissants De Pampanga. So we have 3 products po dito. In the first box is, of course, mga croissant, no? Now for the croissants, we have plain butter croissants. We also have cream-filled croissants. Yung mga variants po nila are Nutella and vanilla. Now, if you want a combination of 3, available po yan, the plain butter and the filled Nutella and vanilla. So let me try this one in the middle, yung pinaka gitna, guys. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is vanilla. Oh, look at that. Crispy, flaky, it's so buttery. And then yung vanilla, it's not too sweet. It doesn't overpower yung pinaka-bread natin. Good job. Good job. Really good job. So I guess this is Nutella. Let us see. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Para siyang volcano na talagang nag-erupt yung pinaka-feeling natin. So let me try this one. Ang sarap, grabe. These are Basque Burnt Cheesecake with mango and almonds. Yan, take a look at it, guys. And then the second one is the burnt Basque Cheesecake with Nutella Ferrero with the strawberries. Okay. I've tried some, burnt Basque Cheesecake before. And isa sa mga medyo na-turn off ako is kapag sobrang asim ng cheesecake. Let me try this one. Whoa! Oh! Ooh! I mean, just from the look of it, guys, it's really eye-appealing, no? Napakaganda ng presentation. And then the strawberry. But this one, it is even out yung flavor niya. It's not too sweet, it's not sour. When you eat it, yung mga Ferrero Rocher breadcrumbs, it adds that parang crunchiness na kapag inunguyan natin siya. Yaman, ha? So refreshing, so fresh. Sarap. Next I want to try is yung mango with almonds naman natin dyan. This is a melt in your mouth cheesecake. Of course, you have the almonds, you have the mango with the whipped cream. Okay, so this one is the parang traditional cheesecake. Oh, wow, yeah. So it's really great if you combine all the flavors, no? I got some bits of almonds, yung whipped cream, siya yung catalyst ng buong cheesecake natin. So it adds that creaminess. This time I want to try it with some mangoes. Similar to this one, the mango is really fresh. It's so fruity, napakasarap. It's so refreshing when you taste it. Now these are available limited slots lang po. If you want to surprise your fathers, you might want to send them Croissants De Pampanga cheesecakes, as well as yung mga favorite nating mga croissants. Isa sa mga premium delicacies that we were able to receive ay from Croissant De Pampanga, and yeah, we really enjoyed them. Guys, you gotta try Croissants De Pampanga. So premium. Isa sa mga best local bakers, croissant makers natin dito sa Pampanga. Yeah, let's support local, and at the same time, these are really homegrown Kapampangan businesses. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends. I'm gonna enjoy this for the rest of the afternoon. Thanks for watching We're in Pampanga. Peace out, guys. Stay safe.